call this summit Change Together, and that's really what it's about for us. The more we can learn from each other, the more we can partner, that's how we make a difference.
For the system to change, it's critical that everyone in our healthcare system understands why it's important to begin and end care decisions with the patient in mind. Diseases that were once thought untreatable are becoming chronic without right cures in our grasp.
We want access to good care. We want access to therapies that make a difference. We want those therapies reimbursed. But in order to do that, we have to be there at the beginning, in the boardroom, and all through the drug development process.
We go to the top transplant experts and we say, how should we design this trial and what should we do? And increasingly, we have to think about what really matters to the patient.
To bring the academic researchers in, it was to bring companies into our community and ultimately the FDA as well, be involved in our community and talk to our patients.
The patient-focused approach is really a culture change for the whole ecosystem. Everyone is going to have to undergo a change.
Our healthcare system really works better when the insurers, the providers, and the manufacturers aren't operating in their own individual silos.
When we look at the interactions that happen between payers specifically and manufacturers, there's an opportunity there for that to be a little bit more robust.
It's just not a matter of financing healthcare. What we need to do is have this, come together so that we're all doing it together and on the same page.
The measures that we need are outcome measures. PROs, patient-reported outcomes, are not well integrated into our system.
We need to come up with very concise measures, and then we need to be able to figure out how to link them back to real-world clinical outcomes.
We need to transform the interactions between the provider and the patient so that we are starting conversations with, okay, what are your goals?
We need to change the paradigm. We need to get the patients into the room and realize that they really do have a voice and that they have the right to ask for things.
We can't do the best for our patients if we don't understand what's important to our patients, if we don't listen.
To me, it's bringing together groups of people that are focused on the patient and focused on ensuring that the people that they serve have access to these life-saving medications.
Most of us will become patients at one point or another in our lives. By helping patients, we are not just helping a single individual, we are actually enriching all of humanity.